Make a great choice today with 2021
Macan. The Porsche Macan is built for an intensive life in which the thirst for experience and thrills are ever present. It comes with a tremendously dynamic performance, luxurious interiors, and amazing safety features. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, navigation system, power liftgate, Bluetooth, driver airbag, passenger airbag, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, anti-theft security system. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.